Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem from quadratic equation. Let's first read the problem. When a baseball is hit by a batter, the height of the ball, h of t, at time t is determined by the equation h of t equals minus 16t square plus 64t plus 4, where t is greater than or equal to 0. For which interval of time in seconds is the height of the ball at least 52 feet above the playing field? Let's see how we can solve this problem. Here they have given the height of the ball h of t as a quadratic equation. So we have h of t equals minus 16t square plus 64t plus 4. Now the key thing is the height of the ball is at least 52. It can be greater than 52. So this value is greater than or equal to 52. So now the equation becomes an inequality minus 16t square plus 64t plus 4 is greater than or equal to 52. Solving a quadratic equation with inequalities is slightly different from solving a quadratic equation with an equal to sign. So let's see how we can do this. Just as usual, move this number to the left hand side. So you get minus 16t square plus 64t plus 4 minus 52 is greater than or equal to 0. Now you get minus 16t square plus 64t minus 48 greater than or equal to 0. We want a positive sign in this one, so divide this entire thing by minus 16 since that's a factor here. Since we are dividing it by minus 16, the inequality here will change. So this will become t square minus 4t plus 3, and this greater than or equal to 0 will become less than or equal to 0. Now we can just do the factorization. You need to get a product as 3 and the sum as 4. That will be 3 and 1, but sum should be minus 4. So it will be minus 3 and minus 1. So you factorize it as t minus 3 times t minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So now when you do this, you get t equals 3 and then t equals 1. But if it was an equation, you just say t equals 3 and t equals 1. But since it's an inequality, you need to draw the number line and then mark the point 3 and 1. So if this was 0, this will be 1 and this will be 3. Now this is 3 and this is 1. So whenever you have inequality quadratic equation, either the solution will be outside the boundary, this one, or inside the boundary. We need to find out which one will solve this inequality. So now let's pick a number outside the boundary. So 1, 3, so I'll just pick 4. And see, when I substitute 4 here, 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Both are positive number. When you multiply that, that won't be less than 0. So this outside boundary doesn't work. So that means typically this will also not work. So let's see if the boundary within this works. Between 1 and 3, I pick a number 2. And I substitute 2 here. 2 minus 3 will give minus 1. And 2 minus 1 will give 1. When you multiply these two, it's definitely less than 0. So the boundary between 1 and 3 is what the inequality is satisfied. So now if you see, t is between 1 and 3. Now like find out which one gives you that inequality. Choice B, 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 3 gives that inequality. So B is the correct answer, and that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.